Who should buy Vivo V29e 5G? Casual users and photography enthusiasts. The Vivo V29e 5G offers an excellent camera performance, making it a great choice for those who enjoy taking high-quality photos in various lighting conditions. Regular users with standard usage patterns. If you use your phone for typical daily tasks like browsing, social media, and occasional gaming, the Vivo V29e 5G's battery performance should meet your needs. Users who value quick charging. The fast charging feature is appreciated by many users, making it a good option for individuals who prioritize quick replenishment of battery power. People who prefer a user-friendly interface. The user interface and operating system are praised for being intuitive and responsive, making it suitable for users who value ease of use. Individuals seeking a stylish and versatile device. The phone's slim design and impressive display, along with its strong camera performance, make it an attractive option for those who want a visually appealing device. Who should not buy? Heavy gamers and high-performance users. Users with demanding gaming needs or those requiring top-tier performance for resource-intensive applications might find the Vivo V29e 5G less suitable due to occasional lagging issues reported. Audiophiles or users with high sound quality expectations. If you place a high emphasis on audio quality, particularly for music or media consumption, the reported concerns about sound quality may be a drawback. Individuals requiring extended battery life for intensive usage. Heavy users who demand extended battery life for prolonged and intensive usage patterns may find the battery performance of the Vivo V29e 5G insufficient. Users who prioritize low-light photography. If you frequently take photos in extremely low light conditions, the reported limitations in such scenarios may impact your overall experience. Those sensitive to potential software glitches. If you are particularly sensitive to occasional software glitches or lag, the reported minor concerns may be a consideration.